Sprouts Farmers Market. I'm gonna come in here and get some snacks, show you guys around for a little bit in case you've never been to Sprouts, okay? Get a small cart. Nothing big. It's a regular degular. I literally am just gonna get some. Look at these nice flowers they have here. What are these? Orchids. Nice flowers for Valentine's Day. For your significant other. Hint, hint. Okay. No, I didn't. I put it in your face. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, people are coffee connoisseurs. You know, we're not big coffee drinkers, so let's see. I can't stand these. Xavier and Poppy and Olipop. Ugh. They do have water though. Not the kind of water we like. But YK, but they don't have that by the case. Let's see, we'll find the snacks, the kids' snacks. You got your bears. Oh, you know, we haven't had that bear. It looks just like this, matter of fact. The beer that we used to buy. I mean, not beer. It was cider, hard cider or something. I forgot what it was called. It was pretty good.
It was rosé in a can, basically.
Yeah. Wow, they got the big spindrift. What kind is that? Cherry? I've never seen cherry. This is my section right here. Island Punch. Let's get one. I'm gonna grab one of these. Island Punch. I'm gonna try the cherry, just one of those. I've never seen a cherry spindrift. This might be good right here, y'all. I'll give y'all a review of this. Cherry spindrift. This might be good. These are always good, but I wish they would have sold it by the case. The Mountain Valley water, blackberry pomegranate, and key lime twist. Can't go wrong with that. Onward and upward. Still hunting down the snacks. You got your... What is this? Oh. Cocktails. That's to make your drinks. These are all alcoholic drinks right here. Still trying to see ice cream. Snacks, I see it coming up. Teas and snacks. He's doing his shopping. Okay, it's not getting his way. Let's see, anything for these kiddos for the car? I really wanted to get them some Pirates booty. I don't see any though. I don't see fruit snacks. Look at this. This is funny looking. Creamer. Almond milk. This is more baby food though. This This is baby snacks. Ah. They're out of luck. Heirloom tomatoes. You got your nice looking heirloom tomatoes right here. Pasta soup needs. Yeah, no. Nothing shareable in the car. Single snacks only. Oh, it looks like they have roll-ups. What are these? How do they have the Aunt Annie's fruit roll-ups? They only have fruit roll-ups. Oh, and they have, okay. They do like these. So I might get them a pack of this. And a pack of this. But there's no chips. That will work. I just gotta find them some popcorn or something. Let me see. Any popcorn? I mean, I could technically make snack bags, but I don't feel like doing that. Oh, you know what? Let's try Chloe's Cloud. Dang it, Chloe, your popcorn is $6 a bag. Better be damn good. That's the biggest bag. Party size. Okay. This is what I was looking for right here. But why don't they have the individuals, the little mini bags, or the box of bags? Chickpeas puffs. They got the skinny pop box. Right, why don't they have the other ones? Fine, let's go. Okay, this is what we're getting right here. This is the cart. And according to Shaun, as you guys can see, they have a bajillion options for coffee. You got Colombian, Brazilian, Hawaiian, like, look at that, Costa Rican, Jamaican, French. They have all the coffees in the world. So like, if you're a coffee drinker, I'm pretty sure they have something for you here at Sprouts. They've got all of these brands, heirloom. If you like coffee, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can find your C's here. I know some people really like this Illy brand or whatever it's called. I don't know, but yeah, there's all of that, and that's basically all we need. So there's that. I should probably get them some daggone seaweed. I think they would like that. I'll get one pack of that. I'm gonna do one of these, and that will be it. All right, time to check out. Check out time. Hi.
Find everything you needed today?
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah.